Hello everyone, my name is Porcupine Craig, and today I'm going to show you how to make this puppet. See? Hi, hello. See this puppet? I'm going to show you how to make it. This is the first thing you want to do. Do this on both hands. And see the ring finger? Yeah? Put it through this hole like this. Like this. Yeah? And do the same with the other hand. And then it should look like this. And then, wait. And then it should look like this. And move it down like that. And then get the two tones and put it together. Like, hello, hello. And see these two things? They are useless. So you can get one and put it down there and make it into a tongue. Or you can just leave it up there if you want. So, that's how you make it. Bye.